The Genesis NFT collection from Wallchain is coming. The mint is in a couple of days. Who's eligible, how you are eligible, what you need to do right now, the supply, the mint price and everything. I got you covered. I will give you all the information that you need in this video here, because on the Wallchain page, if we zoom in, there is this new part here, NFT sale. Let's talk about that. GM and welcome to a new video. I've been covering Wallchain for a couple of months now, so a lot of you might actually be eligible if you followed along. Let's talk about what this all means. In yesterday's video, this one here, the top 5 InfoFi platforms, I told you that Wallchain is my #1 spot with the greatest potential. And now we actually see the NFT mint. I hope that a lot of you are eligible. Before we dive in and I show you where to check if you're eligible, let me know if you are eligible, in which phase, all of that in a couple of seconds. If you don't know what Wallchain is, make sure to check out this video. Also, I got the complete InfoFi playbook where you can understand what InfoFi in general is. But now, no more talk, let's go in. As always, all the links are down in the description, like this one here. The Wallchain Genesis NFT Quack Heads is coming. This is from the official Wallchain account. They changed the name to @Wallchain, so some old links might not work, so double check that you have the right X account that you follow. Now, the time has come. Here's everything you need to know about the Wallchain Genesis NFT Mint structure. The most important part, the general details. The collection name is the Quack Heads. We have a total supply of almost 2,000 with 1,999 NFTs. The chain is Solana and the mint date is Tuesday, 11th November 2025. So it's in a couple of days and the mint price is 2.5 Sol. Let me know if you find that they chose a good total supply, and also if the mint price is fair. Let me know in the comments. The utility will be community benefits, access to the closed top Quackers chat, ecosystem highlights, priority user support, mindshare quacks, and algorithm questions. And probably they don't do this. They never write this, but probably a allocation once the TGE hits. The NFT PFP art reveal date to be announced in a few weeks after we mint. So for a couple of weeks, actually, those will be unrevealed, so there might be a lot of actions on secondary. The goal of this collection is to highlight the most active contributors to the Wallchain ecosystem, uniting people with a quacking state of mind who are ready to go global and lead a growth hacking cultural shift. Who's eligible? And this one is the important part, because some of you might not be eligible if you did some of those things wrong. I have been talking about this in the past. Enter the correct Solana and EVM reward wallets on Wallchain and all the other InfoFi platforms. It's super important, and they write this here as well. Correct Solana wallet must have been added. If it wasn't added till the snapshot date, which was, I think, 2 to 3 weeks ago, or the wrong address was added, an EVM address for the Solana wallet address, invalid format, and so on, users are not eligible, which makes sense, because how would they make you eligible with the wallet address that doesn't work? Most active and loyal members of the Wallchain ecosystem, top mindshare contributors, top Quacks holders, and so on. We're gonna go into detail here in a second for each of the stages. A snapshot of wallets, roles in compliance with these criteria, including the stages criteria, was taken on October 15th. Okay, so we got the date here. That's like 3 weeks ago, 2 to 3 weeks ago. So yeah, I was right, yeah. Stages. Each stage also has its own specific eligibility criteria. Each individual can mint NFT only once and only during the minting phase of the corresponding stage, even if they meet the criteria for multiple stages. I think that's really fair. I write this down here, but we can also go here. You can check the times here as well. So 12 p.m. UTC is the start for phase 1, and then the next one 4 p.m. UTC. So the first one, the priority, they really have time, and that's 800. Remember, we have a supply of total of 1,999. I'm not sure if we actually have some of the team. The supply here is 800 and we have priority. So the top 800 by the all-time Wallchain leaderboard mindshare, top 200 by the all-time Quacks, and duplicates merge results in the 800 supply here. Now, then there's another 600 supply in the first come first serve stage. That's top 2,500 by cumulative mindshare, all-time Wallchain leaderboard, top 500 by Quacks, all-time Discord moderators and elite role holders, if not already included in the stage 1, and duplicates merged once again. Then first come first serve is stage 3 with a 300 supply. That's gold achievement badge holders, those not included in the previous stages. And then in the fourth one, it's a supply, that's the rest, the 299 silver and bronze achievement badge holders, those not included in the previous stages. And then we have a public, if any is left, and that's it. This is the supply for the different stages. Okay, this is everything you need to know. And now let's take a look at the actual mint page. And of course you need Sol to actually mint this, and you need enough this because you also want to pay for the gas. It's easy, you just go on Wallchain and then you see this nice NFT sale with the fire emoji next to it. And then you should connect your wallet that you put in your account like this. Then you should have put in a Solana address here, as I explained to you in the last couple of videos. Then if you go here, if you connect this wallet, it must be exactly this wallet to Magic Eden, then you can see this here. And once you're connected, as I am, then you can see one of the stages in green. And now you see that I am eligible for stage 1, which I'm super happy about. I will definitely mint this one. I see great potential in Wallchain, as I said in yesterday's video here with the top 5 InfoFi platform. This was my number 1 choice. I think they're doing a lot of things in the right way. 2.5 Sol is not that little, but I still think it has great potential. As always, do your own research, no financial advice. But yeah, this might be a good one. Let me know if you think the same. Again, is the supply fair? Is the stages fair? I think the stages are fair, and also that they actually let everyone mint only one. I think that's really good. So we got a big supply, and there will be some whales that will definitely sweep the floors and will want to get more than only one. So that's a nice one. This will be with a great distribution. It's only 2,000. With the Kaito Genesis, we have more than this in the supply. Don't let me lie. Kaito, the Yapibaras, this is the Kaito Genesis NFT. This has been revealed for quite some time. They sit at a floor of 0.8 currently, and they have a supply of 1,500. So actually they have a smaller supply. Let me know if you think they can go in a similar price range than the Yapibaras. That would be crazy, because that would be a almost 10x from the floor, because 2.5 Sol is around 200, and it would actually be more. It would be like a 13x. So even if it does only half as good, this would be a 5 to 6x from the mint price. But again, we don't know if that will actually be the case. It's a larger supply and the market is not looking that good. So yeah, that's it for the Wallchain update. Let me know in the comments if you're eligible. If so, which stage, and if not, I hope it wasn't a dumb mistake like not entering a Solana wallet or even entering the wrong one, which would even be worse. Now, thank you so much for watching. Once again, see you in the next video.